passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. I have some leftover fish from last night, and since I don't like to waste food, I'm going to make it into a perfect snack for my kids. It's very easy, and I bet your kids will definitely love it. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Last night I pan fried some rainbow trout. This is about 1.5 cups. Into that, add 2 medium-sized boiled mashed potatoes, 1/2 chopped onion, 1 red chili chopped, 1 celery stalk chopped, 1 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Use your hand and mix it well. Into that, add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'm using Italian style breadcrumbs. 1 1/4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard sauce, and a dash of hot sauce. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Crack open an egg and mix it well. Take an oven grill and brush it with olive oil, or you may use your favorite oil. Take a small amount and put it in a palm and press it gently with the other palm and make a patty and place it on the grill. Brush some oil on the top. Put it in a preheated broiler for 20 to 25 minutes. Halfway through, take them out, flip them over, brush oil on the top and continue cooking. Perfect for an after-school snack and healthy too. Try it today and let me know what you think. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.